decided what college I wanted to go to, I wanted to be a glassblower. When I decided not to do that, I applied to schools for a linguistics major. And if I hadn't chosen either of those paths, I might have gone to community college and transferred to a four-year school later. There are no wrong choices, but there are a lot of choices, and that can be overwhelming. When it comes to choosing the right school for you, it starts with picking an institution that's truly committed to supporting your success as a student. That includes helping students get good grades, but it's also about offering programs and resources that empower you to excel inside and outside of the classroom. Hi, I'm Erica Brzozowski, and this is Crash Course How to College, a study hall series presented in partnership with Arizona State University and Crash Course. With nearly 4,000 colleges in the United States, we've got a wide range of colleges to consider. If you're considering a trade school, the type of institution we talked about earlier, you can expect to complete your diploma or certificate program within 2 years or less. And once you complete your training, you may go into an apprenticeship that allows you additional hands-on job training. Another type is a community college, where you can pursue a certificate within 1 year or less. Or you can get an associate's degree, which can be earned within about 2 years. For some people, it may take more time. And the third option is a four-year college, which offers bachelor's degrees in a range of subjects. Some go straight to a four-year school after they graduate high school. Others may go on to attend a four-year school after completion of their associate's degree. In addition to bachelor's degrees, most four-year colleges and universities offer certificate programs, master's degrees, and doctoral programs. If you attend a four-year school, you'll have the option to live at home, stay in an on-campus residence hall, also called a dorm, or live in off-campus housing. That last option is usually only available to juniors and seniors, though this varies between schools. Even though we refer to these schools as four-year colleges, the time it takes to complete your degree may vary. Keep in mind that you can complete your certificate or degree at your own pace. But it's important to know any restrictions the college may have. Some four-year institutions require students to complete the degree within 7 to 10 years. And just like there are different types of trade schools, there are different types of four-year colleges. For instance, a four-year college can be public, which means it's usually larger and gets funding from the state government, or you can choose a private four-year college, which means the school relies on endowments and tuition. As a result, private colleges usually cost more, but many of these schools offer substantial financial aid packages and scholarships, which we'll talk more about in a future episode. With all these options, you might be wondering how you can narrow them down. You may want to consider the time commitment, the financial cost, and how you want to learn. Prospective college students choose colleges for different reasons. Some people focus on where the school is located. Other people choose a college based on the type of degree they can earn there. As a prospective student, you might choose a college based on several factors, such as admission requirements, academic programs, costs, and other key factors. And one of the